Okay, so welcome members. We are going to see now these questions when they don't give you the diagram. When you generate the diagram yourselves, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here we have triangle OAB. So now we start by drawing that triangle. So I'm assuming that now I'm going to draw my triangle here. It's triangle. This triangle is O. I start by constructing that triangle like the way I'm doing. You can also do that, or you can pause the video and then you'll be copying that question as I do this triangle. Anyway, I'm done. In triangle, so in triangle O A B. Why am I putting OB on the lower side? Because I'm saying the idea that OB is going to be produced, so it's better I put it down. Okay. OB, C is a point on OA such that C, so C is here. So I'm assuming C is there. Why? Because I'm saying 2 OA is a vector OA, so meaning OA is having vector 3. So that's why this one is having the big portion. So this is my point C. D is the middle point, so D is our main point here. So D is the middle point, so it means it's in the middle of AB. So this is our D of AB. When CD is produced, it means OB produced at A. So when CD, okay, when we produce them, it means we are extrapolating them. So when we produce this is what we get when we produce it. And then I think that's also that CD produced. So CD produced means a vector passing through C and D, but we produce it. I think this is where it's going to be meeting. So they are meeting. I think this is that they are meeting at E. This is our point E. Such that DE, so they are giving us that DE is equal to N, CD, and BE is equal to KB. Okay, so that's what we have. Express DE in terms of N and N, and also in terms of K and B. Anyway, so let us see now how we express it in those two terms. Okay, let us start by interpreting ratios. So if OC, I start with this one of OC. OC is equal to 2 over 3A, but our A, small a here, as of A. Meaning, now if I divide, I have OC over ON equal to 2 over 3. What does it imply? It implies that now OC to OA will be 2 to 3, meaning that vector OC is taking 2 and OA is 3, meaning this one is going to be 1. Okay, so now D is a middle point, meaning if it's a middle point, divide this into 3 components. So this is 1 and this is 1. That's what we mean by a middle point. And so on. So now we want to get DE. So DE first of all is here. So first of all, let us say our part A. Our DE, part A in terms of N, A, and B. So our DE, from here, we start with NCD, is the NCD. Now, can I get CD? How can I get CD? So I can get CD by saying my CD is CA plus AB, but CD is going to be CA plus AD. Now, we see that our CA, from here you can get CA. CA is taking 1 over the ratio, which is the ratio we add this plus this, which is 3, of the line OA, of OA. Then plus, what about AD? AD sits a middle point, so meaning this is 1 over the ratio, which is 2, of the line AB. So I need to get now AB first. So now this is going to be my CD. So my AB, so my AB will be AO plus OB. But they told us that vector OB is B, so this is OB. Then OA is OA. So start here, we are taking the direction of OA, so this will be negative OA plus OB. This will be now negative A plus B, small b, which will be B now minus A. So meaning that now, if I come here and I complete my CB, therefore my CB will be now a third of A is A plus a half of B, AB, which is B minus A. Can you get the LCM? So the LCM is going to be 6. So 2A plus this times this, you get 3B. Then 3 times this, negative 3A of the LCM, which is 6. And so this is going to give us this 2A, and this is going to give us A plus, it's going to give us negative A. It's going to give us negative A, this and this, then plus 3B over 6. So from there, I see that my CD is going to be now 1 over 6 into 3B minus A. So that's my CD. So now can we put it here so that we can get everything? So now we set my B, which is NCD, is going to be now N into 1 over 6, 3B minus A. So can we open the brackets? Now we separate this and that. So this will be now 3NB over 6, then minus NA all over 6. And this is, you see that there, period D will be, this we can reduce, we have N over 2B, then minus N over 6A. So this one we call it equation 1. We have expressed now DA in terms of N and B. Okay, let us see now in part B. In terms of K and A, A and B. To start where we have K, we have this, where the only vector where we weights that in K is this vector B. So meaning that now my DE will be, how can I include in this BE? So this is DE. Means I'm going to move like DB plus BE. That's how I can include in this K. I need to read this vector B. That's why I'm including it. So my DE will be DB plus BE. But what is my BB? My BB sits a half of a vector MB, then plus BE, which is the KB from here. So this will be a half into, this is going to be B minus A from here, then plus KB. So I'm going to cross multiply up and down. This will be now B minus A plus 2KB, the whole over this and this, which is 2. So can we simplify now? You see here, I'm going to be having B common. When I move B down here, I'll be having 2K plus, if I move B here, I have 2K, here I have 1 into B, then minus A. So this is dividing, this divided by 2, and also this we are dividing by 2. It is. So this is my DE. I call this equation 2. Now it's that I have written it in terms of K, B, and D. Now they are telling me that hence find the values of N and K. The values of N and K. Here what we do, we just compare coefficients. It's that now what we do is that the equation 1 and equation 2 are equal. So see this equation 1 and equation 2. So 2 is equal to 1. Meaning that this one, all of them are DE is equal to DE. That's what I mean. So this is 2k plus 1 over 2, the whole into b, then minus, this is a over 2 is equaling to this dp here, n over 2b, then minus n over 6a. So what we do after there, we are going to compare coefficients. Now we compare coefficients. Okay, so if we compare coefficients, let us start with the coefficients of vector b. Because this we have b and also this side we have b. We shall be adding now 2k plus 1. The coefficient this side of b on the left is 2k plus 1 over 2. While it is going to be equal to the coefficient of b this side, which is n over 2. The coefficient this side is this, the coefficient this side is this. Is that 3 is common? Mean that now from here 2k plus 1 is equal to n. Then coefficients of a, this side is that a is just negative equaling to the coefficient this side is negative n over 6. Is that this negative is going to cancel, and if you cross multiply, is that our n is going to be a 3. So if n is 3, is that this negative is going to cancel by this one, by this 3. When you cross multiply, you have n equal to 3. So from here, we say that our 2k plus 1 is equal to n. So 2k plus 1 is equal to 3. Take this side, that our 2k is equal to 2 when it's on the brackets. And that my k is 1. So therefore, my n is 3, k is 1. I've got also the values of n and k. And that's it, members. I think we have exhausted many examples in vectors. I wish you the best.